he was being questioned in Assamese media that why you have gone to Pakistan. Then he said, my wife is working in Pakistan, my mat logabo goisilu. But Elizabeth Kolban Gogoi came to India on 1st June 2012. She joined lead Pakistan. So jetia Gaurav Gogoi Pakistanot goisile, Gaurav Gogoi পৰিয়ালে বা পৰিবাৰে পাকিস্তানত কাম কৰি থকা নাছিলে. She was working in India, but Gaurav tried to explain to the Assamese media that my wife was at that point of time in Islamabad. That is why I visited. But that is false, because Elizabeth Kolban Gogoi joined Lead India on 1st June 2012 with headquarters in Delhi. But he visited Pakistan December 14, 2013 to December 2024. Again, to keep the visit a low profile, he decided to go by Atari border. Now, Atari border di par hoy. At that point of time, Gaurav was residing in the residence of Chief Minister Assam. That point of time, his father was Chief Minister of Assam. Assamor Mukhyamantri Basabhavanot thake. Definitely, it is a very, very important visit. Ami Assamor SB khudisilu de whether you have been informed. They said that we were not informed. So this was a confidential visit. Before, up to December 2013, he was active in social media. On return, December 25th, he started his social media. But that 10 days was digitally, he was silenced. He did not post any photograph of his visit to Pakistan, nothing. He was just out of radar 3 days. Now, let us come to the more important point. As you know, that there is a set of diplomatic engagement between India and Pakistan, that visa is city specific. Jetia Indiaৰ পৰা কোনোবা মানুহ পাকিস্তানত যাব, তাৰ নিয়মটো হল visa will be granted to a city. And when Pakistani citizens come to India, visa is given either Delhi or Mumbai. That's the standard protocol which both the country follow. There is no overall country visa. So Pakistan jabor karne, Pakistan visitor karne kuno visa napabo. Lahore, Islamabad, Karachi, kunoba eta jagat jabor karne visa pai jot kam ase. Teneke Pakistani manu jodi Bharatot ahe, kunoba eta jagar visa pabo, Delhi, Guwahati, Kolkata. He cannot go entire country. Now, see their connection. Gaurav and Elizabeth traveled together on 15 December with a visa stamp, which will show you. You see that visa has said Lahore only. The visa was issued for Lahore. So this is very important thing. Teo kot jabo visa dile, okol Lahore jabo. Kun tarikhe teo gol, 12 tarikhe 12 December teo visa dile, 15 December teo, after 3 days after getting the visa, he went to Lahore. Now, what happened? The Pakistani, next page. The Pakistani Interior Ministry issued a letter saying that he is also allowed to visit Islamabad and Karachi. And that visa amendment happened when already jetia teo Lahorot ase. Eta apunaluke muk kok, jodi ami Londonot jao, mur visa khon Londoner embassy mati ani muk visa khon dibo niki beleg visa. Apunak ji visa lagibo India te loi jabo lagibo. that visa cannot be changed in Lahore. Suddenly, Lahore goi puar pisot, Interior Ministry of Pakistan has issued a letter. Now we want this letter from Gaurav Gogoi. Letter khonot ki likha asil. But you can clearly read, so and so allowed to visit Islamabad and Karachi, fight Ministry of Interior Government of Pakistan, letter dated 16/12/2013. So 15 Gaurav arrived in Lahore and 16 Ministry of Interior recognized his presence in Pakistan and invited him, in my language, to Islamabad and Karachi. That point of time he was not MP. Ketiaba ki hoy MP hole, Montri gole, ketiaba embassy might log pabo pare. He was a simple citizen. Now this letter we want. I will request Gaurav Gogoi to give the copy of this letter to media, because a letter to ki likha asile. Why he was allowed to Islamabad and Karachi. Again, you come to the Lahore visa. You see that this visa was issued by Delhi, Pakistan Embassy, only up to Lahore. 15 tarikhe by road, he reached Lahore. Lahore joar loge loge, the condition is changed. Next page. Lahore joar loge loge, teo kune contact korile. Who came to meet him? Who talked to him? Whom he contacted there? So the visa immediately expanded to Islamabad and Karachi. Visa khon borhai dile je Islamabadu jabo paribo, Karachiu jabo paribo. Fight the Interior Ministry's letter. Interior Ministry means what? In Pakistan, that is the Home Ministry. That means Gaurav Gogoi has a live link with the Pakistan Home Department. After this 10 days visit, as we told that 10 days he remained digitally silenced. But after this visit, that person changed completely. How he changed completely, I will tell you. After this visit, after 10 days in Pakistan, the person changed completely. So I appeal to Gaurav Gogoi